Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send Eid discount offers to clients on WhatsApp. Now this is a very amazing automation because Eid is coming, so we are all very excited about this festival, and this automation is very useful for people who are into business and who want to grow their business on particular festivals. Now I am giving an example of Eid here. You can use it in any other way also on other festivals too. Plus, here I am using Facebook lead ads to do that. You can use any other application or any other, like form building application or other applications which are going to give you the details of the customer or the WhatsApp details of the customer, and then you can send him discount coupon codes or discount offers. Now, what I am doing here, first, I am taking Facebook lead ads, and from those lead ads I will get the leads, and from those leads I will get the contact details of the customers. Now what I will do, I will use those contact details of WhatsApp numbers to send my discount offers to their WhatsApp number automatically. Now this is going to be an amazing automation, and be with me to see how we are going to do that. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Facebook and WhatsApp together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in PABBLY pabbly.com/connect, and then we will press enter, and as soon as we will do that, you will see that we will be redirected to this page here. And here you can see we have two options. Either we can sign in or we can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Now signing up only takes 2 minutes, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So go and sign up now. I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in. And here you can see I have this ID. I will just go for login. And after that, you can see here, these are my softwares. Here, I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now it is taking some time to open. You can see these are all the automations I have in my Pabbly Connect account. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to click on create workflow to create a new workflow. And now here I am going to give my workflow a name. So here I am going to write Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay. So here Facebook to WhatsApp is my application which I am connecting. So you can name it whatever you want to. I am just going to name it this, and then I will click on create. Now after clicking on create, here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what we are going to do, we are going to go for Facebook pages, and here we are going to have, oh, sorry, not Facebook pages. I'm really sorry. We have to go for Facebook lead ads because we are running ads. We are having lead from ads. So we will go for Facebook lead ads, and then we will have new lead here. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on connect, and after that go on add new connection, connect with the Facebook lead ads. And here you will see automatically my Facebook is connected here. But when you are going to do it for the first time, Pabbly Connect will ask you for the authorization, and you have to give it the authorization for your automation to work perfectly. And do not worry, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. We are not taking any chances with your data. So I am taking this Kesar Sweets who are going to send coupon codes, or I should say discount coupon, to the people who have been filling out these lead ad forms. And here I have this form, Sweets brochure form. So let me just go back here and let me just show you. Kesar Sweets, publishing tools. Just follow the steps and you will get to your forms. Okay. Go to all tools. Then here look for forms. And here we have instant forms. Go to instant forms. And as soon as you will go to instant forms, you will see this is the sweet brochure form here. Okay. Now just refresh this. And here you can see we have the option of test form. Now what will happen? Whatever lead I am going to put here, now it is showing me thanks, you're all set. I have to just, open form once again by deleting the previous settings. So let me just do that and come back really quick. And I am back here. So you can see here we have email, full name, and this is the phone number. So this is my office phone number and I am going to keep it as it is. I am just going to change the email to the social fever 2020 @gmail.com, and here full name will be Arpit Sharma. Okay. So we are going to send this to our client. The client name is Arpit Sharma. This is the number. This is the email. And we are going to do this with a wish of happy Eid. Okay. So we are just going to click on next. And then we will click on submit. And as soon as we will click on submit, we will go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we will click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have the new lead here, which is the social fever 2020 @gmail.com, Arpit Sharma, and this is the number. Okay. So our first step of connecting our Pabbly Connect account to our Facebook account is now complete. Now we are going to go for our next action application. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select WhatsApp by 360 dialog here, and then we are going to select send template message. Now I am just going to explain you what is that. First, let me just connect my WhatsApp. So we will go for add new connection. And what you have to do here, you have to just copy this domain as it is and paste it here. And for API key, you have to go to your WhatsApp by 360 account, go here into WhatsApp accounts, and here you will get the option to generate API key. Just generate API key and copy that API key and paste it here. Okay. I have already done that. So I'm just going to select my final WhatsApp connection and I will just click on save. And as soon as I will do that, you will see my WhatsApp account is now connected to my Pabbly Connect account. Now here, I am going to tell you what this send template message is and what is this template. When we will go to our 360 dialog box, here you can see an option of manage templates. So what you have to do if you want to send bulk messages through WhatsApp, or if you want to send particular automation messages through WhatsApp, you have to first create a template like I have created these, and you have to get them authorized by Facebook. Once they are authorized by Facebook, what will happen? You can easily use them for your WhatsApp messages. Now here is an example. Hi, body field 1, a quick message from ABC Studio to say your appointment on body field 2 at body field 3 has been successfully booked. If you need to reschedule, please call this number. See you soon. Now, what I am using here is the Eid one. So what I am going to do here, I am going to send the message is, hello body field 1, may Allah blast your life with happiness on this occasion, your heart with love, your soul with spiritual, your mind with wisdom, wishing you a very happy Eid. This Eid we have a gift for you, and in body field 2 I am just going to send the discount coupon code. Okay. So let me just go here again, and here let me just go for my template, which is this one. And now it is taking some time, so let it take the time to refresh. And now what we are going to do here, you can see namespace. We are not going to touch that. Language is English. Now here we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, and we will map in the mobile number by using the data from this window. So we are just going to go here and we will take the mobile number, and the mobile number is this. Now here you can see it already has a +91. If you do not have this, what you have to do, you have to add another plus here if you do not have this plus sign in your number. And 91 is the country code for India. You have to use the country code for the country where this number belongs to. Okay. Now in body field 1, what we are going to do, we are just going to map in the name, which is Arpit Sharma. And in body field 2, I am manually going to type my discount offer. So I am just going to write this dash 2022. Okay. So this is the discount offer, and this he can just use it on his coupon code, or I should say on his order. Now whatever order is he doing from our website or from our store, or which is by the name Kesar Sweets, he will receive a discount, and the discount could be anything. Now you can just set it up. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request, but before that let me just go and open my WhatsApp. Now here you can see I do not have any message right now in my WhatsApp account. Now what I will do, I will just go to my Pabbly Connect account and I will click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see input is this, and it means that our message has been sent. We will go to our WhatsApp, and here you can see, hello Arpit Sharma, may Allah blast your life with happiness on this occasion, your heart with love, your soul with spirituality. It should be spirituality, your mind with wisdom. Wishing you a very happy Eid. This Eid we have a gift for you, and this is the discount coupon disc 2022. Thank you team Pabbly. So this is how you can automate your wish and your discount coupon for Eid, where whenever you are having a new lead through your Facebook lead ads, and it is not necessary that you only use Facebook lead ads, you can use anything. You can use Google Forms, you can use any application to get the leads of the people, and then can send them WhatsApp messages directly by wishing them happy Eid and also giving them discount on your product. Okay, so this is how this automation will work, and you have to do this automation on Eid because it is going to give you great results and great returns. And if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this workflow directly. But for that you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.